Hi, what's going on? Carlos Valenzuela here, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome to my Connect to Cash review. Connect to Cash is a video training course created by a very good friend of mine. I would say one of my best friends inside Ministry of Freedom. His name is Adam Ekubia. Well, Adam has been doing a little bit different from all of us inside Ministry of Freedom because while everyone is doing launch jacking like I'm doing right now with this video, okay, or paid ads, he instead was creating a lot of content for his YouTube channel to grow first. And also he created already his first product, which had a bit over 500 sales. So he did very, very good. And now this is his second product. While we have been the same time inside Ministry of Freedom, I haven't created any product yet. I've been just launch jacking because, well, I love this, you know. But this is a different technique, and I think he got the right point. He got the right way to make more sales, make more contacts, and I think this is a great product, and he's going to teach you the right way. For just $7, guys, you will access to this fantastic, fabulous video training course. Of course, he also has some upsells that I'm going to show you on my bonus page, and then you can decide which one is better for you and if you want to take any of them. But you can just get the basic training course for just $7, like I said, okay? Well, also worth to mention that today I'm bringing to you over 21 bonuses, okay? So for just $7, you're gonna get all this training course and all my 21 exclusive bonuses inside, okay? If this is something that might be interesting to you, please stick with me because I'm going to go a little bit into more detail right now. I'm going to show you my bonus page, the prices and upsells, and also I'm going to show you a little bit inside the dashboard to see how it looks like, okay? Although I'm not gonna do too long there because it's a training course, I have no much to show you, okay? Also, if you wouldn't like to see the whole video and you want to skip some parts and go straight into the bonus page or into the demo, whatever like that, okay? Just hover over the timeline here and go to the section you want. Also, if you would like to get some more information about this Ministry of Freedom course, you can click on the card here where I'm going to be showing you in this video what is inside, if it works or not, if it's worth for you to get it, and all the things that you're gonna learn inside, okay? Well, with this said, guys, just let's jump into my bonus page. All right, guys, so here we're inside my bonus page. You will recognize it because of my Digital Chaos logo, my custom banner, and my WhatsApp bubble that you can send me a direct message to my mobile and reach me anytime, okay? I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, just to let you know, I have other offers here that you can also check out if you're interested in. Okay, so if we quickly scroll down below, you will see here what's all about, and here we get to the prices and upsells, okay? Well, the front end costs just $7, guys, so you can't miss this one. And with this front end, you will get the full Science of Networking course that shows you step by step how to get to super affiliate status in 30 days. The OTO number 1 is 10 done for you scripts, 20 done for you graphics, 50 done for you value videos, and 100 done for you product ideas for just $15. I think this is a bargain, guys. The OTO number 2 is a 1-hour masterclass with Adam for $87. Okay, guys? I think this is worth if you want, because Adam is such a nice guy. I know him personally, like I told you, and he is very well explaining, and he can give you a lot of value within this OTO, okay? And in case you would like to resell this product, you have the OTO number 3, which are the white label rights for $197. Here you can sell this product, brand it, and give it away, do whatever you want with it, okay? Because you have the complete rights for it, and if you sell it, you will get 100% commissions on the entire funnel, okay? Some key benefits that you will get is to learn how to become a super affiliate in record-breaking time, increase your net worth as high as you want to go, learn how to be funny, charismatic, interesting, and much more. Also, some unique methods in a never-before-seen product, done for your script, products, and videos, newbie-friendly, very important. You don't need any list, no paid ads, no website, no knowledge required, so no additional money required. And of course, all this is covered by a no-question-asked 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? To secure your copy and my bonuses, you just simply have to click on any of these yellow buttons here, okay? And my bonuses are going to be instant delivery. So that means that you will find them next to your files on Warrior Plus, okay? Here you have a video where you can take a sneak peek inside the masterclass, okay? And finally, we get to my bonuses. If you get Connect to Cash now, you will get all the exclusive bonuses that I'm going to show you below. Also, just to let you know, I put together these special bonuses to help you skyrocket your incomes with Connect to Cash, okay? My bonus number 1 is access to Continuum done for you, okay? This is a software by John Armstrong that you will get full access to it, okay? My bonus number 2 is access to Jono's best 2,500 email swipes, okay? So you don't need to be creating email. You will get them all done for you here with this bonus, okay? My bonus number 3 is 2 HQ traffic sources to use with C2C. My bonus number 4 is access Enigma. I put first 12 hours only here, but I will give it away anyways, okay? So don't worry about the 12 hours. I don't want to put you this fear of missing out right now, okay? And finally, my bonus number 5 is access all the vendor bonuses. I want to tell you guys that these vendor bonuses, you will not find them inside your members area, which I'm going to show you in a little while, okay? This is going to be a separate document that looks like this. Okay, here we have it. Just to let you know, I put it in blur so you cannot get the links, okay, because that would be unfair for the people that buy it, okay? But here you will get all the access to all these bonuses, which are, if I'm not wrong, 17 different bonuses. So plus all the other 4, you're going to get 21 bonuses from me today, okay? Okay, those were my bonuses. I hope you liked them. If it's so, remember, I'm leaving you the link down below in my description and also in a fixed comment. And remember, you can always access to my personal WhatsApp in case you have any questions or any doubts, okay? Or you can also leave me a comment down below in the comment section of this video, okay? So with that said, let's go now and let me show you how the dashboard looks like, okay? Okay, guys, so here we're inside the members area. Like I told you before, the bonuses are not available through here, so that's why you need to get my document, okay? And basically, like I told you, this is a training course, so there's no much to show you. These are all video trainings. You have a welcome section here, then you have understanding yourself, which has 2 videos, developing your character, which has 5 videos. Then you have the section, the warm-up, with 2 more videos, researching your target, which has 4 more videos, how to be visible, with 4 more videos again, creating value, this has 5 videos now, and make your move with 3 more videos. So in total, you're getting 26 videos for you guys, okay, with this training course for just $7. Very worth. Alright guys, and that's my review for today. That's my review for Connect to Cash. I hope this review helps you to take the right decision whether to get it or not, okay? But in case you have any questions, again, you can WhatsApp me directly through my bonus page, or you can leave me a comment down below in the comment section. If you want to get Connect to Cash and all my bonuses, remember, I will be leaving you the link down on my description and also on my fixed comment. If you like this video and you think it was helpful and help you taking the right decision, please give me a like, okay? I will very much appreciate it. If you didn't like it, just give me a dislike, I don't mind, okay? And if you consider subscribing to my channel here, okay, I would very much appreciate it. Thank you for staying all the way to the end with me, guys. Take care, take it easy, have a great weekend, and I see you in the next one.